The Pioneer TS-A4103 4x10 speakers are engineered to deliver a balanced sound with smooth treble and enhanced bass, making them a great replacement for stock speakers. These speakers feature injection molded polypropylene technology, which, combined with high-energy strontium magnets and urethane surrounds, results in tight and powerful sound. The A-series speakers from Pioneer are known for their impressive output and booming bass, outperforming factory speakers on nearly every level. Equipped with a composite cone made of carbon fiber blended polypropylene, the TS-A4103 speakers provide the rigidity needed for full-bodied and rich sound. With a maximum power handling of 120 watts and a nominal power handling of 35 watts, these speakers deliver dynamic sound across a wide frequency range. The Pioneer TS-A4103 is compatible with a variety of car audio systems, making it an ideal choice for upgrading or replacing existing speakers.